Get ready for the new year and be the best version of yourself with a few life-changing beauty hacks that we guarantee will totally change the way you take care of your hair, skin and makeup. We're obsessed with sheet masks, so when we figured out this unbelievable hack, it was a total game changer. Just grab an old t-shirt and use a disposable mask to trace and cut out the same shape. Soak this handy mask in literally anything, whether it's rice water, green tea, rose water or anything else, and wash it between uses. Now you have a never-ending supply of skincare goodness. Tired of your favorite lipstick fading away quickly and smudging everywhere? This hack will change that forever. Once you're done applying your lipstick, hold some tissue over your lips and lightly dust some translucent powder over it. Welcome to long-lasting lipstick that won't smudge or fade for hours. When we talk about transformation, hair becomes the most important part. But hey, sometimes these unwanted grays come in the way of us looking perfect as we start the new year. Hair color not just colors your hair, but also makes it soft and shiny. Section your hair and then start applying the color from the hairline and repeat it all over your gray hair. Wait for 30 minutes and then rinse for hair that has a shine worthy of the new year. We know once you try these hacks, they'll become a permanent part of your everyday beauty routine. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.